How to put NGL link in Facebook story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put NGL link in Facebook story. First of all, open up the NGL app. Once you get into its app, click to copy your NGL link. After that, click on the next step until you find the share on Instagram button. Then click to share on Instagram and it will take you directly to the Instagram story page. Now from here, click on the sticker icon and tap to add link in here. Then paste the link you just copied from NGL. After that, paste the link onto your story and click to post your story from here. Then tap on share button and it will ask you if you want to share it on your Facebook stories. Now close the Instagram app and click to open the Facebook app. After getting into your Facebook, click to view your story and the NGL link is added into your story. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.